February is finally clocking out and spring is clocking in. So why not start fresh with a home that's fresher than your grandma's Sunday biscuits? Let's take a look. Welcome to 145 County Road 722 in Nacogdoches, Texas. A beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 2019 by JB Crawford Construction. Sitting on just over half an acre, this home offers the perfect design of modern style and peaceful country living, all while being just 3 miles from the loop for your ultimate convenience. Step inside, you'll find an inviting floor plan, complete with high-end vinyl plank flooring that flows throughout the house. The spacious living area leads into a stunning kitchen featuring modern appliances, tons of counter space, and a layout perfect for entertaining. Outside, you'll find a covered porch, inviting you to sit back and enjoy peaceful surroundings, while the large yard offers endless possibilities. Whether it's for gardening, play, or simply soaking in the fresh air, you will enjoy this space. With its prime location near Lake Nacogdoches and quick access to town amenities, this home is a rare find. Don't miss your chance to make 145 County Road 722 your own today.